Hey folks, welcome to MyNorthpointe. We want to give you just a quick tutorial to help you log in, probably for your first time. There's a number of great things that this database can do for you. It's a church directory at your fingertips. It's going to help you stay connected to your church family, groups, events, makes your giving statements just one click away, and makes future registration for events super seamless. So this is how it works. If you go to our NorthPointe webpage, northpointecc.org, you'll want to look for this little icon at the top here called MyNorthpointe. Click on that. It'll take you to MyNorthpointe, where you'll have the opportunity to log in. Now, if you've never logged in before, you're going to want to click right here where it says Create Account. If the system recognizes the email that it'll ask you to put in, then it will send you an email helping you to create a login. Super simple. If the system doesn't recognize the email that you put in because we don't have an updated email, then that'll have to go through the front office. You'll get an email from our front office admin that'll help you walk through that. But let's assume the system recognizes your email. Then it's going to walk you through creating a login, and then any other time you'll come back to this page to log in. So let's say you've done that, you have a login, and you're all set, good to go. Once you log in, there's just a couple of places that we'd like to highlight for you. First thing we'd like you to do is come up here and click this little profile picture. We'd like to make sure that we have your profile details correct. Two things right away we'd like you to do. Up here in this family banner section, we'd love you to upload a family picture. We ask that this be a family picture, not a picture of dogs or cats or somebody playing poker, but actually find a picture that represents your family. We think that's super important. We love knowing how people are connected. Now this is Nathan Northpointe. This is his family. It's an incredibly good-looking family. You'll notice you have the option to crop a little bit here so you can decide how you want that to be. And let's say that's perfect, and there we go. Now we have a family banner picture for Nathan Northpointe, and they're just a good-looking family. We love them so much. The other thing we'd like you to do is click this little bubble here on your profile picture, and we want to make sure that there's just a picture of you there. So go ahead and find your favorite picture of you. The last thing that you want is the staff going on Facebook and deciding pictures for you. After you get your family banner picture and your profile picture done, just go down here and make sure that all your contact details are correct. If anything is incorrect, click Edit up here in the top banner and you can make sure those details are correct. You'll notice that it lists all your family members here and just a number of detail things. If you find a contact detail that you would prefer not everybody seeing, please don't delete it. Rather, go up to the ellipsis up here and click Privacy. That'll give you the ability to set those personal privacy settings. Once you know that all your details are correct, we would just highlight one other thing. Over on this left pane is our people search. When you click that, you'll have the ability to look up everybody that would consider NorthPointe their church. So let's just look up my best friend on the whole world, Jake Howard, and we can find out all of his stuff. So the details are there. It'll pull him up. It works as a great church directory, and so that's just a really great feature. What a good-looking family. So that's pretty much it for how you can get into MyNorthpointe. The last thing we'd ask you to do is if you're using this on a mobile device or a tablet, you're going to want to pin this to your home page. That'll function as an app so you don't have to walk through the internet web interface every single time. And the easiest way to do that is on your phone or tablet. Go ahead and log into MyNorthpointe. You'll have to go through NorthPointe CC, our webpage, to do that first. Log into the MyNorthpointe account. Once you get there, go and check out the little paper arrow icon, probably at the top or maybe at the bottom of your screen, depending on what kind of a device you're using. Click that. That should pop up a screen that says Add to Home Screen. You'll want to add to home screen. Again, depending on the device you have, you'll have some customizable options there of what to call it or maybe what icon to choose or whatnot. But click Add to Home Screen, and that'll save you some steps next time you want to click in. The system should recognize you for at least 30 days and keep you logged in, and that's a great feature. If you have any questions at all, a couple of options. You can either click the Help menu at the top of the MyNorthpointe screen, or you can contact the front office at info@northpointecc.org. They'd be happy to help. Happy North Pointing.